Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make natural glutathione at home. We'll explore the foundational elements your body needs to produce this vital antioxidant. You'll learn which specific foods are rich in precursors and cofactors, making it easier to incorporate them into your diet. We'll also cover practical, everyday strategies to optimize your body's ability to create and utilize glutathione effectively. Get ready to empower your health with these simple, actionable steps. To naturally boost glutathione, focus on key nutrients. Sulfur-rich foods like broccoli, cauliflower, and garlic are crucial building blocks. Aim for several servings each day. Vitamin C, found in oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers, helps recycle glutathione, keeping it active. Don't forget selenium, present in Brazil nuts and sunflower seeds, which is vital for the enzyme glutathione peroxidase. These dietary choices lay a strong foundation. Beyond diet, lifestyle plays a significant role. Regular exercise, even moderate activity for 30 minutes most days, can enhance glutathione levels. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly, as rest is crucial for cellular repair and antioxidant production. Minimizing exposure to environmental toxins and reducing your intake of processed foods also lessens the burden on your body, allowing it to focus on producing more glutathione. Boosting your natural glutathione offers incredible benefits. It's essential for detoxification, helping your body process and eliminate harmful substances. This powerful antioxidant also protects your cells from oxidative stress and supports a robust immune system. By consistently applying these strategies, you're investing in long-term health and vitality. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including those durable socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.